Okay, we go through some of the questions from 2023 paper 1. Okay, what is a rational number? This one I went through before already. What? Rational number can be written as fraction. Okay, rational number means the number can be a fraction. Okay, or it can have a repeating pattern. Or the number stops and ends. So these are called rational. Okay, then what is irrational? If rational is the numbers that are fraction, that means irrational are numbers that cannot be fraction. If rational number can have repeating pattern, that means irrational number does not repeat. If rational number stops and it ends, that means irrational number does not stop. Okay, so these are the difference between the two of them. Right, then next question. So in this case, I want rational. So I want the ones that are a fraction that has a repeating pattern and it stops. So the one that can be written as a fraction or it can be a repeating pattern. This one is a repeating pattern and it stops. So 7, 33, and 3%, 1, 0.3, like that. All these are rational. So what is irrational? Pi is irrational. Okay, next one. Then which one is the prime number over here? Prime number are the one with 1 and itself, right? Two factors. That has two factors. 1 and itself. So in this case, the only prime number will be the number 7. Okay. Do you want me to explain question number 2? Then I quickly do the
explain to her.
huh? But you must give me the answer for 2A. What's the answer for 2A?
2/3 times 7 square.
2 to the power of 3
Yeah, 2
times
to the power
7
of 3 times 7
square.
square.
So if I want it to be a perfect cube, means the power must be multiple of
3.
Yes, so correct. Power multiple of 3. So 2 cube times 7 square, which one already a multiple of 3? The power, this one, right? So here I want to it becomes 7 cube. When I multiply by something, multiply by k, the power will increase. So I want it the power to be increased. So this one to become 7 cube. So what must I multiply?
7.
Correct. We multiply 1 more 7. Good. Okay. So this one is the answer. Next one. Okay, this one inequality, maybe you try. Okay, but I think this one more important. We go through this question first. Find the largest value of x squared minus y squared and then the least value of 1 over x minus y. First thing, I have x is got negative number, right? -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember when you have x squared is the whole thing, you square it. This will become positive 25, positive number. Okay, then I still got another 0. Then this one is 16, 9, 4, so and so forth. This one is 16. So if I want the largest value of x squared, actually I need to take -5 whole thing square. So the largest is 25 minus the smallest value of y squared. So for the smallest value of y squared, for the y itself, right? Y got the number from -3, -2, -1, 0, until 0, right? So if I have this whole thing square, it becomes 9. But I want to make this part as small as possible. So I should choose 0 square. Okay, so this number will be 25. Okay, so you square everything, square the number and you test up. Okay, then the next one over here, when I want to get 1 over x times y. I want the smallest. So when I want the smallest, right, it means I want a positive or negative number. Which one smaller?
Negative.
Yes, I want a negative number that is smaller. Remember, my x can be -5, -4, -3, 0, or denominator cannot be 0, so I cannot choose x to be 0, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then y got the number -3, -2, -1, 0. Okay, so what I choose, I want it to be negative. There are many different combinations I need to try. Let me try. I take x to be -5. If I take x to be -5, my y must be a positive number. Is there
Zero.
y but denominator cannot be 0. I cannot have a fraction 1 over 0 ma. So in this case, can I choose x to be -5 and then I put 0? Cannot, right? I also cannot put -5 with -1 because it will become positive. So this case, then out. Okay, so I try my next combination. What can I try then if my y is already negative number? So maybe now I try my y to be the one that is negative number. Let's say I try y equals to -3, that x
One.
compared to y is a -1. I choose the tail end compared to a x. Which x value should I choose?
1.
1, -1.
One, the other one, maybe I can put if I put a -1 again, it will become negative number. So I put another one. This number will give me 1 over -3. But this one will give me -1 whole. Which one is more negative? Which one is smaller?
1 -3.
1 -3 is smaller. Are you sure? The more negative it is,
-1.
-1 is smaller. Yeah, so this one, if not, you go and count the decimal arc. So if it's no negative, right, then 1/3 is smaller, but got negative, then the -1 is actually smaller. So the answer in this case is this one over here. So for this kind of combination, you need to try the different combination, then you think which one is the one that is smaller according to the question. Okay, but if they want smallest value, definitely negative number is smaller. The more negative it is, the smaller it is. Okay, this one we went through the paper answer before already. So I don't know whether it need or not. This one sure test one teacher do so many questions. Do you know how to do this one? Inversely proportional. Y equals to?
A divide.
Yeah, thank you. K divided by x squared. Y equals to 3. So y is now 3 over x squared, correct? Now, find the value of y. What do I write? Y
New.
new. Follow this pattern, but change the x. Change to what? The x here change to
2x.
later we write, okay, but we write bracket whole thing square first, okay? Must remember to put bracket whole thing square, can? This one, must remember bracket whole thing square. Then, just now, Alias Shakir was saying, x is double. So x now become how many x?
2x.
2x. But you all must remember to write the bracket square. No bracket and you never square, then answer not correct already, okay? So in this case, it will be k over this number become 4. Can? Then it's x squared. Okay? Then we check. K over x squared is what number?
3.
K over x squared is the number
3
3.
times 4.
3 over 4.
Is it 3 times 4 or 3 over 4?
3 over 4.
Correct. 3 over 4. The 4 is in the denominator in this case. Yes, we need to use the 3, but the 3 is on top, 4 got denominator. So answer 3 over 4. This one, the Ace Learning worksheet got many questions. So,
Madam
mm,
what if it's directly proportional?
directly proportional, something like that, is it? If it's directly proportional, y equals to k times x squared. Y equals to 3 for a certain value in x squared. Then y new k times x squared double. So 4kx squared or k4x squared also can. Yeah, maybe I write k times 4x squared. Then we know 4x squared, k and x squared equals to the number 3.
3.
So it'll be 4 times 3. Then you get answer 12. So this one is for direct. Okay, only whether the difference only k divide k times. Is this okay? Can Okay, this one also appear many times. Okay, in the ACE Learning worksheet, but some of them are a bit more complicated. So first one, let's deal with the square bracket square first. Right? What does this thing bracket square means? AB bracket whole thing square means. It means my square must apply to who?
A and B.
Yeah, so it's my give to the A and the B. So you get A square B square. So now I change this to A square B square over 12. Okay, when we do multiplication, I don't cancel anything, yeah. I multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So numerator 8. What is A square times A square?
A power of 4.
Correct. A power of 4. I still got a B square here. Use it. Then I put numbers first. 12 B square. But this is not the answer.
The one below 8a square is not b square, is b third.
B cube.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Alamak. Okay, sorry. I already cannot see properly. Okay, sorry, I copy wrongly. B cube. Thank you very much. Then now, this is not the final answer yet. We must simplify. So what is 8 over 12? Quick, calculator. 8 over 12.
2 over 3.
2
2 over 3, Okay, 2 over 3. Then A4 got nothing to divide, right? So it's just A4. Then what about this one? On top got 2, bottom got 3.
below B.
Just B.
Below, correct. Left B at the bottom. Good. Okay, so this one must take note. Now I sidetrack a little bit over here inside the ACE Learning worksheet. Okay, maybe you all might have or might not have. Never mind, doesn't matter. You just follow what I tell you. There is one part that the teacher do for this kind. Okay, this kind, question number 15, this kind of pattern, or question number 16 is overly difficult. Maybe you question 17, this kind. Okay, so you practice question 15. This kind can we anyhow just cancel.
This one is 522, right?
Yes, this one need to use menu 522. You need to do factorization. Okay, so we factorize this. Anyone can help me factorize this quickly? Press calculator. Don't have 4 2
Plus I think minus.
which one plus, which one minus?
Plus minus.
The plus 4
plus
plus.
4 minus 2.
Okay, thank you. Then this one, the x square minus this one 7 in your calculator mode 522
minus.
minus
7 5 x
5
minus
and 2
5 x minus 2. Yeah, then minus.
minus. Okay, then this kind of question, right, after you factorize already, then you see the whole bracket that is the same, that
Can cancel
one
out.
then you cancel out the bracket. For this kind got plus or minus, you must factorize first. Okay, this question question number 16, I know is very difficult, but I have things to highlight a little bit. First thing, in your calculator, right, your calculator doesn't know how to do negative x square for you. Your calculator will change everything to positive x square. So if you use your menu 522, right, you cannot get a correct answer one. Okay, what do you need to do in this kind of situation? You need to factorize out the negative sign. If let's say they give you a negative something square, then you change sign for everything. After that, then you use your menu 522. Am I clear? So I
Okay.
repeat again, your calculator cannot tell you the negative x squared. They don't know how to do. Have you ever seen the negative x squared something in front one? They never do like that one, right? So calculator automatically change everything to positive number. So you must factorize out negative sign. Okay. If you have a common factor, let's say all of them have multiple of 2, you also must factorize the common factor because the calculator will straight away divide the 2 automatically, but you need to take it out. Okay, then let me continue this question. This one, 2x squared. Can you 522 tell me what is this answer? 2x, x, 1, 1. I don't know what's the sign. Huh? No answer. Hello, menu 522. What is your answer here for the 2x squared plus x minus 1?
How you get a 2, 1? 2x, 1, then x, 1.
What is your answer in your calculator?
I never do. I use mental sum.
You use mental sum.
Yeah.
Somebody is here.
1/2.
Thank you. The calculator says 1/2, right? 1/2 means the 2 is in front of the x. I need to get a 2x, 2x square Vincent. You use brain, right? So you must have a 2x square. I need a 2x square here, Then I cross. So this is x. This one is 2x. I need a positive x. So the larger one will get a positive. The smaller one will get a negative. Okay, so it's 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so we have this part. Next one. You try. You ask me like that, I also cannot help you, okay? Next one, then this one this one is 2 terms. Do you remember? 2 terms need to use what?
A minus B, then something.
Correct. A minus B, then A plus B. So this is A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B.
就你把所有那个 special 的写下来，我 copy 一下。
That's special one. I write down already lah.
有除了这个还有别的吗？
I cannot remember. I wrote down all the 4 terms. 4 terms is grouping, 3 terms is the menu 522. Then 2 terms is this one special one.
我忘记了。
Later lah, later I don't know lah. If you want to ask me, then later ask me again lah. I finish this one first, okay? I don't delay the rest of their time. Okay, for this one factorization, 2 terms. So in this case, I must have 2 bracket, 1 plus, 1 minus. Let's check. 1. What times 1 gives you 1?
1.
1, exactly the same. 1 times 1. Then the other thing I need to check, this is 16x squared. What is the square root of 16x squared?
4.
4 what? 4 letter?
4x.
X. So it's 4x here. So in this case, you get 1 plus 4x, 1 minus 4x. Okay? Then the denominator over here, we need to, what's the common factor here?
X.
So with x, then this is 2x minus 1. Okay, so far so good, but there are still things that I haven't factorized. I haven't factorized this one. Okay, Isha, you don't do menu 522. Are you able to do the mental sum for this? Okay, the rest of you who this one, the rest of you menu 522, give me the answer.
4，然后一个 x，然后
1/4.
minus 吧，应该是，因为有 minus plus，一个 minus 一个 plus，4x plus 1x minus 1。
4x plus 1 or 4x minus 1?
4x minus 1。
Okay, so in this case, 4x minus 1, x plus 1. Yes, somebody gave me 1/4, right? Also the same answer. Then now you observe anything we can cancel. Oh, my handwriting is so ugly. Okay, anything where got bracket that we can cancel?
1 plus 4x.
1 plus 4x, Where got 1 plus 4x? This one is 4x minus 1. This one 1 plus 4x, not the same. The other one, another one.
X plus 1.
X plus 1 and the 2x minus 1, right? Can cancel. So, Alias Shakira, you mentioned the 1 plus 4x or the whichever, right? You notice this one here, the negative sign, we can multiply into the bracket to change it to negative 4x plus 1. Here got nothing already. So, what can we cancel now? Is this the same now?
Yeah.
Yeah, then now this one I can cancel away the whole thing. I cancel out no more already. What's left only?
1
answer.
over 1 plus 4x.
1 plus 4 is at the top or bottom?
Bottom.
No leh, you look carefully.
Top.
Top. So this one is the answer. Okay, so just now Ishan was asking the special one. 3 terms, do mode menu, 5 to 2. 2 terms, do a square minus b square. Make sure you take out common factor. A plus b, a minus b.
如果是加嘞，
Plus cannot, plus only can check for common factor, whether got common factor.
no like 1 plus 16x squared.
1 plus
16x squared.
don't have. 1 plus 16x square cannot, must be minus.
Oh,
Plus 1
okay.
don't have. Okay? Plus 1 don't have. Next one, then let me get back to our question here. Okay, I want to add this together. What is this power square? What does it mean?
Everything square.
Everything square, means
Repeated.
yes, repeated. Means this bracket repeat itself 2 times. If that is the case, observe. Here only got x plus 3. What is missing?
X plus 3.
Correct. Times x plus 3 times x plus 3, right? So then I put the same denominator together. Okay, then this one will be 3 plus x minus x. Then x minus x left. Okay, do we cancel anything over here? Can we cancel anything?
Cannot.
No, don't cancel. So denominator. But this question is a little bit overly simple. If you notice the A learning worksheet, the one that the teacher give, always this kind. So the teacher give this kind of question and this kind of question. So we must practice this kind of question. Okay. So let me just do one more. I'll do question number 18 and number 20. I'll do just these two, highlight the main ones. Okay, first one. When we want to add these together, observe here got 3 terms. I must factorize it. 3 terms, how to factorize? Use what? Menu 5?
2.
2. Okay. Or some of you do your mental sum one. Y'all quickly tell me what is the answer after y'all do your menu 5 to do. What do y'all get? I use mental sum. Is it correct? What do y'all get?
Yes.
Yes, so the answer will be x. The denominator now change. Okay, I factorize the denominator, change to this. Then now, which one do I need to multiply here? What do I need to multiply here?
X plus 1.
Correct, we multiply x plus 1. Now, this question over here is addition, so no need to be worried because it's positive. If I have subtraction, must remember when you multiply, need to change the sign. So in this case, my denominator, don't expand the denominator, keep it. Only expand the numerator. Must multiply to the front and to the back as well. Can we cancel anything? Cannot, cannot cancel anything. Then we simplify 3x minus 9. X minus 3, x plus 1. Is this the final answer? What else must you check? Check the numerator. Is there a common factor?
Yeah.
Yes, what is the common
3.
factor? 3. So I factorize out 3. What am I left with?
X minus 1.
X minus 9.
X minus
1.
3 lah. X minus
9
3.
divided by 3 is 3, okay?
Yeah, 3.
You don't scare me, okay? Then now this is x minus 3x plus 1. Oh, observe. Is there anything that is common now?
X minus
Can
3.
cancel out.
Yes, can cancel out the whole bracket, not part by part, not the term by term, but the whole bracket. Then this one become the number 3 over x plus 1. Answer. Is this okay? This one must take note, okay? So this question, question number 18, you see the teacher give a lot of this kind of pattern, a lot of this kind of pattern. Okay, next question, we try one more. This one over here.
Madam,
Yes.
is it paper 1 test like less chapters than paper 2?
Paper 2? No, not necessary. Paper 2 tests a bit lesser chapter than paper 1 because the paper 2 type of question is usually the long type of question, the one with the
明天考 paper
word
1还是 paper
problem.
2？
你明天考 paper 1，我现在在做的都是 paper 1
哦，这
question.
个比较
Have
简
you
单啦
have you
paper
seen
1。
the paper?
No, I never see the paper.
Are you the one who sent the
Teacher.
paper?
No.
Tomorrow no paper 2 meh?
Tomorrow paper 2, tomorrow paper 1.
Only paper 1 ah? Why only paper 1 ah? So weird
I
one.
thought
You
both.
all go and see. You all go and see timetable cannot.
没有为什么这样奇怪的
Okay, don't waste time. We focus, can?
？Let me go see the time.
Yeah, you all go and see the timetable. Alright. Okay, express anyway, paper 1, paper 2, all the same, all need to do.
No,
Okay.
more easier.
Yeah. Express as a single fraction in the simplest form.
Next
So in this
Wednesday.
case, the denominator we
Make the-
must
make the
before
same.
before you make the same. This one, what must you? This one got two terms.
A minus B, A square minus B square.
Correct. So this is a square minus b square. Need to change it to a plus b, a minus b. So we factorize this. This one become 3 over t plus 5. What does this become?
T minus 25, T plus 35.
Not correct.
Or
1 plus 1 minus square root of
5 square.
25 is 5 square. So 5 times 5. So it's not 25, it's t minus 5, t plus 5. You must take square root of the 25. Okay. Then if that is the case, then we need to multiply the number t minus 5 here. Okay. Then we get 3t minus how many?
5.
3 times the 5.
15.
15. Then there's a negative 2t over. Then we simplify 3t, 2t, t minus 15. Okay? So answer looks something like that. Paper 1, paper 1. Okay? So this one should be the correct answer already. Next. Okay, next one. Next type of question. So you are going to practice. Changing subject formula. Do you know how to do? Express this. I send you my 3 favorite letter, GFD. But first one, what got fraction? What do we need to do first?
Group.
Before you group. No, before you group.
Cross multiply.
Multiply.
Correct. Cross multiply. So A times 2B minus 5 equals in the center. Yesterday, Gerard asked me, when do you cross multiply? When do you make denominator same? Got equal sign, fraction. Then I cross multiply. Okay.
What is divide?没有 never mind.
Divide and multiply is another type. The one that you need to factorize, then can cancel. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, this one is 2ab minus 5a. What is the subject that I want?
B.
B. So I must put all the terms with B together. G, F, D. Group.
Group
Anyone
together.
Yes.
Then, the BD shift over
minus
5A
BD.
go to the other side.
Equals
Okay.
to 3 plus
And-
5a.
And 5, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Correct. Good. Wow. Okay. Good. Y'all can tell me means very good thing. Next one. What is the common factor? They want
B.
which one? They want B, right? What's the common factor?
D
Bracket 2A minus
minus D.
D.
D. So I factorize out. Now be careful. Sometimes let's say it's 2AB minus B. I factorize out B. It's not just 2A only. If let's say it's like that, can you put a 1 down here? There'll be minus 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Just take note, okay? Take note, special case. In case like this one like that, then you tell me you don't know what is it. Must have 2 terms. Is the number is actually minus 1. Okay. Then down here, continue. We have B. Last but not least, I divide. Divide which one? Which one goes to the denominator?
2A minus D is below.
Yes.
3
Then
plus
3
5,
plus.
8.
Correct. So this one is on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so smart.
Yes. Then they say hence for the part B, right? That means you use this answer. B equals to 3 plus 5A. 2A minus D. What is the value for the A now?
1
Minus
over 3.
1 over 3.
1/3. So put 1/3 here. Then the 1/3
Negative
here.
2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Remember this one, negative 2. Bracket. Okay, make sure you put bracket. Don't just put minus. Okay, so this one can calculate.
7 is to
Now,
4.
whatever answer lah, you're going to calculate the number. Okay, do you know how to find GST? You must
Repeat
find
the question.
this one here says this is inclusive of 8% GST. Is this 100%?
108%.
Yes, this is 108%. It is not 100%. This is including the GST. So 108% represent $1,800. Find the 100%. She receive a GST refund, right? So go back to the original price. So 500%, what do you do?
1,800 over 108 times 100.
Yes, times 100. Xavier, do you happen to have the number? You got a calculator with you?
1,666 and 2 over 3.
Whoa, so smart.
2 over 3, 2 over 3 in terms of, this one is in terms of money. So we write in 2 decimal places will be 6, 7. Is it something like that?
Yes.
But they give me an exchange rate. They say they want US dollar. So US 2,500 USD.
Represent 3,635, then 2,500.
Okay.
3625 divided by 2,500 or 2,500 divided by 365.
Slowly. I have this one is in Singapore dollar, right? I have 1666.6.
要吗？我们是要搞1块钱吗
Yes, we find $1 first. So what do I do?
Divide by 3625.
Correct. So 2500 divide by 3625.
Yeah, anybody got calculator? Faster do.
Don't need to calculate it. Y'all can calculate during exam.
Then times 100.
Then times the 1666.67. Then you get your
Okay, guys,
answer.
find the answer. Faster tell me. You're
Okay,
so
then
smart, right?
after that, leave it to nearest dollar. Then aren't you smart, Yisheng? Where's
1,
your
1.
我没有带 pen 的 case.
Okay, never mind. So this one, the thing is will look like that. So you do the question. This one should be doable.
Yeah, doable.
1149.42.
Wow, Xavier, 你有 calculator 了。
I'm using my brother one.
Nearest dollar 1149. Okay. Okay, this one.
不是要有 2 decimal point 的，都是
The
money 吗？
question say nearest dollar. Normally it's 2 DP. Normally 2 DP, but now question. Quick, I must focus. Got a lot of question I haven't do. Quick, the next one, number of students. So the 0 got how many students fill in the table?
0.
0 got
2, 4,
2.
10.
2, 8, 14. Then what is the next one? 10.
10.
10. Correct?
Find the median. The middle number.
Median is the number in the middle. There are how many people?
50
50
plus 1 divided by 2
by 2.
equals to
Okay, so
25.5.
25.5.
Okay, so it's the middle position.
It's about 2 to 3 lah.
Okay, 25. Where is 25? 2 plus
3
8 is
都在3里面。It's
10
all in
plus 这个
3.
is all here, right? Yes.
I think it's all in 3.
All in 3. Both of them are in 3. That means the 25th and the 26th, all of them are in 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2. Answer is still
3.
3。
3
如果是
siblings.
what if 那个
got
答
using
案
what
是 24.5 eh? 25 no 24 no
Okay.
23
Then
point
you take
2 plus 如果是
4.5
2
then you
分
take
3
2
yes
plus 3. 2 plus
啊
3 divided by 2, then it give you 2.5.
Oh,
Even
then
if
答案
it's
就
sibling 2.5 decimal, just write decimal.
okay
Don't need to round off to whole number, leave it as decimal. So add together, divide by 2. Can?
okay
Okay, how to find mean? This one must know how to do.
everything plus together
Sum fx divided by sum f.
Sum f, in this case, my total frequency already know is 50. So that means I must find fx.
No, I thought average is everything add together then divide by the number of that one.
Yeah, correct. But what is the everything? 0 appear how many times?
Oh yeah.
0 appear 2 times, right? 0 times 2 is 0. 1 appear how many times? 1 appear 8. 2 times 14.
28
28.
30,
30
24, 50,
50
Find
Stop
sum
saying my answer.
fx.
140.
140.
140
Then we take sum fx over sum f. So 140 divide by 50. Even if the
2.8.
number
2 point something
2.8, okay, but this one is mean number of siblings. It's still siblings, but the number not accurate, not a nice exact number. You can add them together. So 2.8 siblings.
那个 sum fx 一定要在上面的
Yes, fx is on top. This one
Okay.
on the first page also got formula. I think the thing look like that one.
okay
If you're not sure, then you can look for it.
Okay.
It's in the
okay
sum fx over sum f. You look like that. First page, cover page got formula. Let me see whether the cover page. What's the cover page? There. This one is the formula. There I mean this symbol stuff. Okay. Next one. Highlight next part of the question. Okay, so this one distance, speed, time. Okay, I'm not going to go through. Ratio, you all know how to do. As long as if the thing, I must highlight this one. If the ratio have algebra, where did it go to?
So I
Okay.
think it's question 10.
Have is it question 10?
It is, I don't know if it's
Yeah,
algebra.
it have algebra. There. Okay, if the ratio got algebra, right, you must write it in terms of a fraction. Okay, so in this case, x is to y is 3 is to 2. I will put it as a fraction. X over y is 3 over 2. Now they give me 3y equals to 4z. They want me to find the ratio x is to y is to z. Okay, I need to think over here. This one, then I don't need to change this. Wait, give me a minute. I don't need that one. I got x is to y is to z. This is 3 is to 2. I want to find the relationship between y and z.
Put
Now,
the 3y under the 2.
3y under the 2. Wait, give me a minute.
Insert.
3 times, yes, I need to insert 3 times what equals to 4 times what, so that they are the same value.
3 times 4, 4 times 3,
4 times
12.
4, right? Then 4 times 3, right? So in this case, y is how many unit?
4.
Y is 4 unit. Z is now how many unit?
3
3 unit. So how do we make them the same?
times 2.
Here need to times 2 times 2, so that it becomes 6 is to 4 is to 3. Check no more common factor for all of them. So this is the answer. Okay, so you take note ratio, how to read the ratio this way. Okay, or alternatively, y is 4 units, z is 3 units, also can. Okay.
Teacher, why times 2 for x?
Because this part is 2, I want to
I
make
written.
the y the same unit. So this part here is 4 ma, so I must make this the same. I times 2. If I times 2 to this one, this part also must times 2.
Oh, okay, thank
To
you.
make them the same. Okay, next question. This one, angle. I send you my favorite letter. First one, letter F is so quiet. Die already.
Factorize.
No.
No, it's a reoccurring.
What
Yeah,
angle
very
is
very
this?
angles.
Starts with C. Because must write
Corresponding.
reason.
Corresponding.
Yes, angles on parallel lines. Tell me the next letter.
Interior
U.
angles.
Yeah, U.
Wow.
A plus B equals to how much?
180.
180.
180. This is called interior angles on
Parallel
parallel
line.
line. So must know. Next one, letter.
Alternate angles
Yeah.
on parallel lines.
Yes, alternate angles on parallel lines, they are equal. Last but not least, vertically opposite
Opposite.
angle. Okay, now once it's parallelogram, apart many things that are the same one, I must take note. First thing, if it's a parallelogram, this number is 54. Where else is also 54 degree?
Q.
C, Q, R, or S. Yes, Q is also 54. So you must know, okay? Right? And then now you see this line over here is alternate angles already. Can you see the alternate angle here? Right. So if this is 76, where else is also 76? The
P.
whole portion here
Madam,
is the whole thing is
Madam,
yes.
the parallelogram is 360, right? So can I just take 360 minus 54 minus 54, then divide by 2? Then I can get
cannot.
P and R.
What? Okay, yeah, cannot, right? Not wrong. Actually, for me, I just take interior angles 180 minus 54. Then I get my answer. This part, what you want to find lah, Arian.
Okay.
This one need to give reason,
Okay.
现在考那个
Yes, you
paper
got say
one
must
会
write reason. Okay.
paper one 要给 reason 的。
Yeah. Same. They say they write down here, give reasons, means must give reason.
人家怎么我不会写 reason 会错分了？
Yeah, minus marks ah. No, maybe even you see this one mark only. So if you get your answer but got no reason, means no marks at all.
那你要不要把所有 reason 打给我？
I just write only what there.
OK。等下我拍个照。
Right. Find angle PTS. So find angle PTS. Observe PTS is what kind of triangle?
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle. So I must find base angle of isosceles triangle. So angle PTS is 180 minus away 54 divide by 2. Write the reason. Base angles. Oh, I write properly lah. Of isosceles. How to spell isosceles? ISOOSCELES. Triangle. Okay. Or if you don't know, just put ISOS dot. Okay. What is this answer? Do you know? You calculate already not?
63.
Thank you. Okay. So I know this angle is 63 degree. I want to find angle PRT over here.
126.
How do you get that number?
180 minus 63.
180 minus 63? Is
Yeah.
it? I want PRT and this one.
Oh, that one.
Get PTR, right?
One.
80
So
minus
what is-
63, get the inside.
Get the inside. Oh, you want to 180 minus this this one, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Isn't it the same? This one, you see the area of the triangle here? Can you see the triangle here? Just now we got alternate angles already here, right? Can you see this triangle? 180 minus 76 minus 54. Can you get this angle? Okay. So, or alternatively, I can use interior angle 180 minus 54 minus 76 to also get this one.
50.
So in this case, I will use 100 and PRT 180 56 minus 74. 76. Wrong. 54 minus 76.
Yeah, I use my phone join now. I use other devices. 买这个要没有电了。
Why no sound?
Got sound or not? Hello? Hello, hello?
Have ah.
Okay, sorry. So now this is interior angles on parallel line. I use the two parallel line add together. This one 54. Okay, I use the two of them. Right. So what is this answer? Y'all can find, right? Next one,
50.
find. Okay, can. How much is it? 50. 50.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now find TPR, angle TPR. What is angle TPR? TPR is the small angle over here.
4
Right.
degrees.
I already know this part over here. This one is isosceles triangle over here, right? This and this one is isosceles triangle. Okay, this one and this one. So the whole thing is 76. This part is 63. I just take 76 minus 63. But first, why is it 76 degree? It's because it's alternate angles on parallel lines. So they want the reason, you need to write alternate angles. Okay, so after that, then you write 76 minus 63. Then you get your answer. Then reason, alternate angles on parallel lines. Is this okay? Can? No response. Hello, hello.
Okay.
Can. Why cannot?
Okay, so go and memorize this one, ah. Okay,
这
yes, Mr.
等下你走的时候，你要不要给我们那
I
个
use the angles
extra
of
exam paper to do?
triangle add up to 180.
Angles of triangle add up to 180.
I use triangle PRT, then like 180 minus 126 minus 50.
Okay, also can, but you must write angle sum of triangle.
Okay.
Sum of angles in a triangle also can. All right. Okay, this one, math skill, confirm test one. Okay, first one. Which is the one on the map? The 1.2 kilometer or the 8 cm?
8 cm.
Okay, so it's 8 cm is on the map. So 8 cm, 1.2 kilometer. When they say this part down here means there is no units, means must be the same units. And then later must drop off the units. Okay, so I must make these the same units. I must make it into cm and cm. How to change kilometer to cm?
Times
1000
1000 times 100.
Correct, times 1000 times 100. So this one will give you how many zero? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Then now I want to make it 1. Now the units are the same on both sides already. Drop off the units, so make it 1. Divide by 8. What is this number? Divide by 8.
15,000.
1, 5, 1, 2, 3. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now then this one is your answer. 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. But now they want to find the area. I need to use, I'm going to start off with this, but this is 1 cm on my map. I'm going to start off with the number 15000. That is in cm. How do I make it to kilometer and then must square later?
Divide by
divide.
1000. So 1 cm is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.15. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now how to find area?
Square.
Square. 1 square. cm square. 0.15 need to
Square.
square. Kilometer.
Square.
What is 0.15 times 0.15?
0.0225 kilometers square.
Okay, 0.0225. 0.0225 kilometer square. So many zeros. Okay. Then now they give you 1.8 cm. So this one I want to 1.8 cm square. I times 1.8. Then give you the answer. Can? Okay, Okay, number pattern, this one. Okay, finally. Okay, we look at this one. This question is very classic. Got two types of number pattern. You all observe the first type of the number pattern in this range first. The number is 1 go to 3. 1 how to become 3?
Plus 2.
Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So this is all plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So I don't care which line, I'm going to write my n line, okay? So if it's the n line, this is plus 2, my formula must have a plus 2n. What is the number in front that plus 2 can give me 1? How to find the term 0? How to find the 1 in front? Huh? Cannot find the number. What is the number here? If this one is 1, what number plus 2 can give me 1? Go backwards.
-1.
Correct. So it's -1. So this is the formula for this part of the pattern. Now they want line number what? 11, right? So what did the n become now?
11.
Yeah, so this is now -1 plus 2 times 11, which is -1 plus 22, which is the number 21. So in this line, the pattern, they want the whole line to write down 21 plus something. Okay, so for this part, first one, if it's plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is plus 2n. Then I must find the number before that. Okay, what is the number? Okay, so in this case, it's like that. Okay, if the pattern is -7, -7, -7, then it will be -7n. Then you find the number before that also. Okay, next part. This one over here, these are all very special number. You look at 1, 4, 9, and 16. 1 go to 4 is plus 3. 4 go to 9 is plus 5. 8. Are they the same number?
No.
No, right? So when they are not the same number, we need to think of power. Okay, let's take a look. 4. 4 is what number with a power?
2.
2 what?
2
square, correct?
square. Yeah.
Yeah, 9 like
3 square.
3 square. 16,
4 square.
4 square. So you see line 1 will be 1 square. So if it's 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, line number 11 will be
11 square.
correct. So 11 square is the number 121. So this will be 21 plus 121 equal to 142. Is it 142?
Yeah.
Answer. So when they say write down the line, the sequence for the line, you write the whole sequence. You don't just give me the number 142. Write the whole thing, the whole line of the pattern. Okay. Is it possible for P in line N to be 100? So they want P now become this one, become what number?
100.
100. So I need to take 1 minus 2n and equate it to 100. -1 plus 2n equals to 100. What's my purpose? Find the n. So 2n
Move
equals
the -1 to the 100. So
Yeah.
plus 2.
plus, correct? Then now divide by 2.
50.5.
Then explain your answer. This is 50.5. Oh.
Cannot be.
How?
Since n equals to 50.5 is not an integer, therefore it is not possible.
Yes. Okay, therefore not possible. Can?
Yeah.
I want to explain one more on pyramid cone sphere. Wait. Have anyone found out whether is it tomorrow is paper 1 or paper 2 already?
It's
Tomorrow
paper
paper 1 only what?
Paper 1 or paper 2?
1.
1.
Confirm
Yeah, only paper 1 tomorrow.
Yeah, paper 1, paper 2 can score can lah.
Okay, wait. Then I want to go through. Wait. I want to go through this one. Where is my question? This one. Wait. Then paper 1, I want to go through this question. Give me a minute. Wait, give me a minute. Don't go away.
Bye.
Why you disappear? Where is my similar triangle? Ah, this one. Wait. I want the similar triangle. Do you know how to draw?
Yeah, must use straight line.
Yes,
Need ruler.
yes.
The drawing, you all know how to draw the draw
Yes.
one?
Yes.
This
Must
one, do you
follow
know,
the units.
do you know what is scale factor?
No.
Must
You-
times 1/3 like that.
Okay, but scale factor is the length of image
To
over
the big or small original.
original. If it's a reduction, then it's small.
Small, yeah.
Then
Then it
if
say reduction.
enlargement,
Enlargement is big.
big over small.
Yes.
Okay, so this one you all go and practice how to draw. This one in class, I think I got do already, right? Next
Yeah.
one, this type of question. What happen if the question is like that? The triangle not the same shape one. Now read the
the
question.
same.
Not, that means it's not in the same direction. Flip
Oh.
the triangle.
Or you make the
Draw your mini
triangle
one.
like the same.
Draw one more, something similar to it, right?
Yeah, draw mini one.
Okay. If this is A, B, C, so I have A, B, C, similar to A, P, R. So if this is
A is A, B is P, and C is R.
and R. Okay, so when you draw, you follow the labeling already, then you draw the triangle. Okay, then next one we fill in the information. A to P, AP is X. Then A to R is 7. P to R is 5. Okay, first thing we check, is there a pair that give you ratio? Number.
BC and the PR.
Correct, this one and this one, right? So there is first pair of ratio. Ratio you can write small over big, big over small, also can, up to you. Can, no problem. So I will, in this case, I just put big over small, 15 divided by 5
Equals to 3.
ratio, okay, equals to 3, but I'm going to write another one more pair of ratio. Where is another pair of sides that can give you related to X?
PC and AR.
Yeah, AR is 7, AC, not PC, AC, not PC. Remember, AC, not PC. AC, the whole thing is
18.
18 plus, oh, maybe I draw
18 plus X.
Yeah, so this whole thing is 18 plus X. Some of you want to find AC first, then later you minus 18 also can. Okay, so in this case, I will just put AC. I don't like to do algebra, so I just put AC over 7. Then we cross multiply 5AC. 15 times 7. Somebody help me. 105.
105.
Correct, 105. Now find AC divide by 5. 21. Is it 21?
Yes.
Okay, so the whole thing is 21. This part is 18. How to find X?
21 minus
21
18.
minus 18 equals to 3.
Yes, answer. So X will be this one. So for this kind of similar triangle, okay, if the question give you the shape in a weird shape, draw out one more and then you match the side and find the ratio. Can do paper one, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, can okay, then the rest, this one based on, you all know what is a reflection?
Yeah.
You know how to draw reflection, right?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Right,
Here
reflection.
the distance, the number of units
Of
from
the distance is the same as the other side.
must be side. So if I give you, let's say I give you the thing is like that, then here, then how you draw? You must draw
Same distance away, then also like the same length and everything.
correct. So here and here must be the same, okay? So if they give you, so you all know how to draw, identify. Still got what type? Rotation. You will be able to see that it's rotated. Can already. All these are congruent in shape, in
这个
size.
会在 paper 几哦。
这个 paper one most likely lah.
啊
This one all paper one type of question. Okay.
你这个有 question 在 Google Classroom 吗？
This one, the which one? You want the 你要的哪一个？
就是这样 something like this 这个 paper。我是讲那个 pyramid 那些。
pyramid cone sphere is another worksheet. But pyramid cone sphere
有 worksheet 啦。
有pyramid cone sphere is usually paper 2. You want to have pyramid cone sphere? Okay, never mind. I send you the pyramid cone sphere later.
那个 paper 有没有 answer key？
So I go first.
Can. Bye bye. I send you all the pyramid cone sphere with the answer key for your revise.
Okay,
Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye.
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 Wait, Madam Ng, so where are the answers again? Hello? Madam Ng,
Hello. Hello. Wait.
wait, Madam Ng, so where are the hello?
Ah.
So where are the answers again?
This one I went through in class before already. You might have already copied it before.
Yeah, but I'm still not sure it's so I think with the video is much better. Where are the
Oh.
answers for this one?
I only went through whatever that I have. These are the only ones that I have.
Oh,
I
is it
yeah.
in Google
The-
Classroom like the answers?
It might be. I cannot remember whether did I post up the answers or not. Wait, give me a minute. I check the Google Classroom now.
I already wrote the answers on my paper, but the thing is, I might still be a bit confused.